Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu nesahleli nogogopatricia salukazi intombi endala. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for kungifollowa. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi ni-click on the subscribe button and ni-like ama-video wami. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma with this issue yamabandla. You know, a lot of us, a lot of people, they get to be shown iminazaretha, abanye they get to be shown iphiga, and most of the time iphiga their association namapostoli. Most of the time iminazaretha probably it's associated nabantu bakwashembe. Amajazi they associated nabantu base Zion. Now most of the time unganikezwa amajazi, but it doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi ufanele uyokhonza eZion, right? But kunalawo maphupho azokhomba ukuthi no thina sifuna uyosikhonzela eZion. For instance, mina ngikhule ngisonta epostoli, right? And nganginamaphupho kwakenzakala izinto, but ipostoli le bengisonta kuyona akusile eKlepentep noma akusiyo le ebelivela kakhulu kubantu abadala. Yebo kuyaprofitwa, but there's a certain way eprofitwa ngayo, so I don't want to dwell much on that. Now kwafika isikhathi la ugogo wacela ukuthi ngicela mina uyongikhonzela eZion, and I remember ukuthi ngaliphupha lelo bandla ngabona abantu engibabona emaphushweni. Believe you me, mangifika kuleyo nkonzo, not all of them, but there's two people that I could recognize from amaphupho wami ukuthi no, mangiphupha le bandla ngangibona labantu, right? Meaning kwakugogo wayefuna ukusondela, meaning kimina ukuyomkhonzela eZion ngesithunywa sebandla, ngesithunywa saseZion, kunento eyenzekayo, kunento emphakamisayo mangena naye. Hence each and every day noma each and every time Sundays mange ebandleni ngiyakhuleka ngiphahle ngisho ukuthi abantu abadala ngiyacela ukuthi nihambeni nami nifike, ningangikhathazi, nisebenzeni ngiphina amandla, mangikhuleka nikhulekeni nami, mangicula niculeni nami, nani nibe nami. Yabo, ngaleyo ndlela uyabakhulula, ngaleyo ndlela ubapha amandla, ngaleyo ndlela if bebasebenze eZion bayakwazi ukuthi nabo baphakame, makuprofethwa nabo baprofethi. We understand? And I remember there was a particular time la khona, because mina nganginalento ukuthi angithandi ukuprofit ebandleni, especially nanoma ngabona into I would keep quiet. And I remember there was a gentleman ebandleni wayekhuluma ngokuthi ubabakhe uyagula, right? Ubabakhe uyagula. Then on that particular Sunday wakhuluma wathi ukuthula ebandleni, ngithanda ukubonga, hey ubaba seka nempilo. We didn't know throughout ukuthi kuyenzakalani, but manje we found out ukuthi kuyenzakalani and sekazosinda uzophola, and everybody was so happy, yabo, baze bajabula ukuthi hayi siyabonga. And as he was speaking, I heard a voice endlebeni yami ithi kimi, khulekela lo muntu ngoba as we speak now ubabakhe ushiya inyama, yabo. But now I was so confused, ngathi okay ngikhuleke, so must ngimise wonke umuntu ngithi hey bazalwane masikhulekeni ubabakhe ushiya inyama, what happens? And le voice yathi kimi, kodwa ukukhuleka kwakho akusukuthi ngeke ayishiya inyama uzoyishiya, kodwa umkhulekele ukuthi indlela yakhe ikhanye, yabo, indlela yakhe ikhanye nokuthi umndeni, yabo, like into eningi. Then I was so confused, but I kept quiet. And I remember 10 minutes later ifoni yakhe kushuthi beloke ringa. Then he went out. When he went out wabuya wahlebela umfundisi wethu something, then he left. And I remember umfundisi wethu announce ukuthi bazalwane uningamangali ubabani ophumile, uthole icall ukuthi ubabakhe ushiye inyama, right? So though inhliziyo yami beyibuhlungu, kodwa I knew ukuthi bathe kuyafana ngeke aphile, but okay, anyway, that's not the topic. But I'm just trying to tell you ukuthi sometimes isithunywa sakho sikhethela ibandla leli wena fanele uye kulona, ngoba bona ingelosi yakhona nabo bazokwazi ukuthi babambisane basebenze balaphi. Now amaphupho wakwashembe bengihlezi nginawo, especially mangabe inkosi izoba khona, yabo, those dreams would be intense. And I remember ukuthi bese ngisonto ezayoni for a long time. And I remember this year kwenzakala ukuthi I didn't even know ukuthi inkosi yeza, but now the dreams started coming yabo. Ngiphupha ngisesigodlweni ngibona abantu balilizela mangiphuma ngigijima ngihlane nomuntu ngithi kuyenzakalani, athi hayi no, inkosi naye iyeza, umuntu inkosi banathi usheme yabo. Nami ngijabule and angikwazi ukushaya lento zabo, kodwa ephushweni inkosi yami ngangizishaya nawe ubona ukuthi ya no. Kodwa mangivuka ngithi ngishaya into zakhona eManazaretha, hawu cha, inyawo azivumi, umzimba awuvumi. I can't do it because it's I can't, like I can't, but ephushweni ngiyazenza. And I remember elinye iphupho that was so intense. Ngabona abantu abagqoke i-uniform yasepostoli nabantu abagqoke i-uniform yasezayoni, kuba ngathi kunomqimbo omkhulu, abantu baphethe amaplate, kuyaphakwa kuhle kumnandi bajabulile. And ngibona lo mkhulu lo uhleli phansi uzwisa ubuhlungu yabo, ugugile. Ngiyakuye ngithi hayibo mkhulu u-right yabo. So kimi I'm thinking uzothi uzongithuma ukuthi ishingane yami ngicela uyongikela amanzi or ngicela uyongiphakela or something, because I can see everybody's happy, kuqwele kuningi. And mangifika bathi hayibo uyababona abasepostoli bajabulile, uyababona abasezeyoni bajabulile, mina uyongikhonzela nini kaShembe? Hey, ngaphaphama. And I got to realize ukuthi okay, ukukhonza kwami epostoli khona laba abakhuleka kulamaketanga bebakuwo, noma bebajabulile, noma ngabasindisi. Kukhona abasezayoni engabakhonzela basinda, kodwa sekusele laba abafuna bona ukuyosabatha, bona ngiyobasabathela nini. And I was so confused ukuthi kanti mina ngiyowaqeda nini laba bandla, ngiyohamba bandla to bandla, ngiyoyenzani, you know. Kodwa I felt bad ukuthi yeah no, lento le spirituality ijule ngendlela isimanga. And I remember when I tried to inquire, but no, inkosi yeza over the weekend. That's when I decided to, you know what, awuthi ngiyosabatha Bela Edidir in the Val. I decided to go ngiyosabatha, and God decided ukuthi, you know what, ukuthi umkhulu ngim accommodate, because we know ukuthi sabatheni basabatha on Saturdays. I had to learn ukuthi okay, makusabathwa kwenziwana, awusebenzi, awupheki, you know. So now I decided ukuthi njengoba ngiyesabatheni ukuthi umkhulu naye akhuleke, amabayenza inkonzo yolala nathi ngo-6 p.m. I do it. Mabayenza inkonzo yovuka nathi angakayenzi inkosi yami, ngoba early in the morning ngesikhathi sakavuka nathi mina ngingaphakathi kwabantu, so angikwazi ukuthi ngihlabelele yabo, ngilayita amakhandlela ngenzeni. Kodwa ulala nathi ngiyamenza, then ngihloniphisa abathi ngangokuthi mazithi Friday ngesikhathi sakhona angidla ukudla okubandayo okushisayo, angigezi ngamanzi ashisayo, like ngiyalihlonipha isabatha. Though kunezinye izinto ezi-difficult because Sunday fanele ngiyenkonzweni, most of the things I have to do them on Saturday. So Saturday mangabe ngiyasabatha ngenze lutho, kushuthi mina angina weekend yabo. But I try la ku-necessary khona ukuthi ngihloniphise, of which angakayi like ebandleni noma at a branch, of which you know, I'm excited ukuthi no, one day ngiye nje ngifike ngifuna ibranch la ngizosabatha khona on a Saturday, ngifike ngisabathe nalabo abasabathayo, ngoba ngaleyo ndlela kodwa amaphupho abe khona mina mangibuya ukuyosabatha, ukuthi umkhulu abonise ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi uhambile ngane yami uyongikhonzela, ngiyabonga ukuthi uhambile uyongihlanganisa nenkosi nani. So engizama ukukusho ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ukulalela abantu abadala kubaleke ngendlela eyisimanga, ngoba siyesitshelwe ukuthi abanikazi bemali amakhehla, you might say ukuthi hey mina ugogo uyongiphethe, abogogo bala and abogogo banozwelo yabo. Kufana nawe, umama akho angakukhulisa kushaya mhlazana usunezizukulu yo uba usoft, ngoba why ingane zakhe lezo, unalento ukuthi no, ingane zami. So ugogo thina sikhule sazi ukuthi mangidinga imali esikolweni, going to a school trip, ngitshela uma wami, ngifike ngithi mami ngicela imali kiwa sona, so angitshela ubabami yabo. Then umamam yena uzokwazi ukuthi masekahleli nobaba amtshele ukuthi hey, ingane ithe ine-school trip nana, bese ubaba athi hayi nginamalathi, hayi ubaba kodwa yabo, apotoze la kupotozwa khona, athinta amabhathini la kuthintwa khona, yabo. Bese ubaba athi hayi ungamnikeza ingane, bese so wena uzobona imali iphuma kumama kanti kahle kahle imali iphuma kukhehla. That's why in African spirituality ungakhethi idlozi, ungathi hayi ngikhetha ugogo uyekela umkhulu. Umuntu ophethe imali umkhulu, so ugogo fanele ahambe ayokucelela imali kumkhulu. Abanye benu into zenu zivalekile ngoba uconcentrate kugogo, abanye uyekela ugogo athi hayi kumkhulu. Awukwazi ukuziyela wena kumakhehla straight uyocela imali, fanele ucele via umkhulu. So lento le ijule ngendlela eyisimanga ukuthi the minute you understand ukuthi you need to balance abantu bakho, you need to balance your spirituality, then you will realize ukuthi oh okay no kuyahambeka, okay no kulula, oh okay into zami ziyavuleka. So yeah, mani nombuzo, please leave your comments in the comment section. Emakhosini leseli khanya qhamakunda uwe.